Hey guys! Welcome back to our channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in tech. Today we've got something that's sure to get your heart racing, the Redmi Turbo 3. That's right, we're going to be unboxing this beast of a phone and giving you all the juicy details in this review. So sit back, relax, and let's dive in. First things first, let's talk about the unboxing experience. As soon as you open the sleek packaging, you're greeted with the pure black back cover. After that, the stunning Redmi Turbo 3 lets power on. The phone itself is a sight to behold with its stunning design and vibrant color options. As you dig deeper into the box, you'll find all the essentials like the A charger and data cable. Now let's talk about the design of the Redmi Turbo 3. This phone screams premium from every angle with its sleek metal frame and smooth glass back. The Redmi Turbo 3 features a 6.67-inch 1.5K resolution display, giving you an immersive viewing experience with 120 Hz refresh rate and Corning Gorilla Glass Victus protection. When it comes to performance, the Redmi Turbo 3 does not disappoint. This smartphone is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8X Gen 3 processor paired with an Adreno 735 GPU. This phone can handle anything you throw at it with ease. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or streaming videos, you'll experience smooth and lag-free performance every time. The phone is equipped with a large capacity 5000 mAh battery. This battery life performance is still good. Let's not forget about the camera on the Redmi Turbo 3. It flaunts a 50-megapixel Sony LYT600 main rear camera and an 8-megapixel secondary camera. In conclusion, the Redmi Turbo 3 is a powerhouse of a phone that offers high-end features at an affordable price. From its premium design to top-notch performance and advanced camera capabilities, this device has it all. If you're in the market for a new smartphone, look no further than the Redmi Turbo 3. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and unboxings.